Did you know they make affordable push mowers sold on Amazon? Well, if you didn't, now you do. Wild Badger has got a nice push mower that uses no gas, but it's battery operated. Now let's open this thing up and see what we got in the box. And we'll put this thing together and give it to what for? That's my battery charger. Got your bagger. Ooh! That's a big battery. Look at that 40 volt battery. Comes with 2 magic wands. Ta-da! I wish they had more than one battery though. Now you'll see it's got some notches right here as they're going to line up with each other. Same thing over here. We got some notches. They line up perfectly inside there. It also has another mark right here on top that lines up. This thing's got a little square on it. The little square is going to go inside this hole right here. Go ahead and stick that on there. I'm fighting with this handle by myself. But it ain't no big deal, right? Alright. Swing this thing around. Watch me roll it off the heel. The washer goes on now. And inside this handle here is threaded. You want to screw this in and you just get it to where it's tight and lock it. Yeah, about like that. This bolt in, and then we'll put the washer on. The threaded piece, we'll thread that on there. Not too much. Not enough. Just right. Clamp here for the cord. So we'll just see that's how it is. We're going to slide the cord in like this. The cord goes in that notch. All it is just keep it out of the way. Do the same thing up here. Put that in there. Boy, it's hot today. Some lawnmowers you have height adjustments on all 4 wheels. Well, this is just one lever moves the whole thing. Alright, just like that. Yeah, it's nice. If you were to use the bagger, there's notches right here, pegs right here on your bag. You pick this up, you slide this in, you're done. Bagger's installed. This over here tells you whenever your bag's full. If it's up like this, you're good. If it's down like that, you need to stop it and empty it. Leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to get back to you as fast as I can. Slide this battery in. I'm going to make sure this thing works. Push this button in. Pull the handle back. You can't beat that. That is so freaking simple. We're going to pick this back up. Push this lever in and pull your battery out. There's a lever right here. Let's charge this up and see how long it takes. All right, it took like less than an hour. I put it on charge at 1:37. It got done at 2:32. We're going to lower this thing down some. Put it on that one right there. I like my grass cut a little bit lower. I saved a spot in my yard, pretty good spot. It's not to see how long the battery lasts. I like to say this thing is just for small yards. But this is just to see how well it cuts. Let's check it out. It's still quiet, still sounds good. Man, this thing's lightweight. This would be good for an older person right here. Oh, that's a pretty good looking cut. A real good looking cut. I mean, it's a freaking lawnmower. Look at that. Kicked into high gear and then went back down into low gear. Wow, that's cool. So I guess if it feels like, there you go, it's gonna kick back into high gear. That's pretty good. In case you feel like it feels like it's not gonna be able to make it through it and bog down. Look at there. I got it set pretty low. I got it set on the lowest setting. La la la. We are done. That's it.